What's happening, everybody? Morning, everybody. How are you? Everything well? Hi, Heidi. It's good to see you. How are you? Excellent. Excellent. Don't deglove. How are you, Chef? Elbows. I'm Jet Tila. If you're wondering, I'm from the Food Network. I do Iron Chef America, Beat Bobby Flay, Guys Grocery Games, Family Food Fight. I'm here to teach you how to cook stuff. All right, I'm here to, a lot of my recipes will be in the cafe today, and I'll be doing a bunch of demos as well. And the specific spices to this curry mix, it becomes yellow. Red is more red chilies.
I firmly believe that the healing process is made up of lots of very complicated things, and one of them has to do with the quality of food that patients eat while they're in the hospital. Through partnerships like this, we have a chance to change the way people look at hospital food and to actually impact their care and their well-being. And when they leave here, hopefully, they are also going to look at food a little bit differently.
We realize that food is medicine, and so a lot of heart and soul goes into what we do. It's a cool and unique experience to bring sustainable local produce, farmers, sustainable fish, great quality and cooking skills all together to serve the campus. We're so excited to be here.
That chassis pork?
Oh, that's hoisin.
Oh, hoisin pork. Nice. That looks great, dude.
This partnership is just great. Being partners with UCI and the change and knowing that your partner is health first, and so the freshness of the food and really driving home our rotating brands to bring that new and exciting thing to the people here. It's just awesome, and having a partner who believes in those same things makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, I mean, how many medical centers have in-room dining? I mean, that's the future, though, because that's what everyone's been wanting forever. That's what we need to give them. Well, I know what I'm having for breakfast. Look at the lift on those pancakes, man. Chef-based means a lot of things. Like, A, it means the quality of the food is actually chef-driven, right? We're a food culture. We're also a food company, right? Everything's made from scratch. It's sourced. Nice. It's thoughtful. It's not just dumping things in a can and it's not institutional. That's what chef-based means. I think the second thing chef-based means is the experience. Right? Walking into the cafe and it feels warm. It doesn't feel like, it's a place that you want to eat at. And then being able to recognize chefs that you watch on television in a place where you'd least expect, I think is very exciting. So those are all things that mean chef-based to me. There it is. How's that look? That look delicious. I'll leave that there and do a little garnish. Take it. How is it? All right, I'll just take delicious. There you go. Thank you very much for my judges. It was awesome to hang out with you this afternoon. Have a great day. Thank you very much, everybody.